Hello my people. So today I'm gonna do holographic slimy glue. So I have a mixing tool so I can mix around. And I have a bowl so I can make it. So now I'm gonna open it. Okay, so now I'm gonna open it and take off this off and this off. Why is it so hard? Come here. And guys, if you didn't notice, my tooth came out. So I put it like under my pillow so the tooth fairy could give me money. The next day, I lost my tooth when I was sleeping and no money because of the corona season. Yay! So that's great. It's just great, right? So what I have with me today is I have like the glittery roots, so glittery. You don't see it's really. I have some sparkles. I love sparkles. So pretty. And there's two. And there's like little ball, like little things to measure. And here's the activator. It's just like baking soda, like salt. Here are the instructions. Yay, I said it. So guys, we're going over the rules so you know. So, don't eat the slime, please don't. And the solution, when you put it in, please don't put it in your, don't put it like close to your eyes, because then, I don't even know what's gonna happen. So guys, this stuff can be very slimy, so watch out, okay? Don't let it go like on your cloth or on your carpet if you have one. And don't let it go on your shirt, okay? And when you're finished, wash your hands. And guys, remember, wash your hands every single day when you touch, like if you touch a keyboard or if you touch random stuff, wash your hands 20 seconds, okay guys? So you don't get sick or things like that. So guys, so we already did the rules. So now we're gonna get started with the slime. So what we're gonna need is warm water. Please pass me the water. Thank you. We have warm water right here. And we're gonna need 3 ounces of this. Of these cups, we're gonna need 3 of this cup. So I'm gonna an ounce there, and the other one there, and then the other one. I'm gonna need to put a lid. Oh my god, I'm terrible at this. I'm just gonna leave it like that. So guys, that's 3 ounces. Now guys, we're gonna need the activator. So we're gonna need 1 spoon and we're gonna need it leveled. So now I'm gonna just do this. Try not to get it on my... So guys, in this part, you might gonna need help with your parents because it might get messy. And I needed help with my parents. So guys, it's might gonna be like a little bit hard. So I'm just gonna take out all like these, and it might get messy. So I'm just gonna get the other ones from the bag. So it's just gonna like that, and I'm leveled. So guys, this is how much you're gonna need. So now I'm gonna pour it in. Now I'm just gonna mix it. Now I'm gonna mix it until it dissolves. So guys, you're gonna see me change the spins because. So guys, I'm gonna give a shout out to my cousin because she's watching my videos, and thank you for watching, and just thank you. I love you. Yeah, and she's my cousin. And guys, you might see her in one of her videos. She's in the Christmas video. If you didn't see it when you finish this video. So I'm gonna switch because this is better. So that's good. And you're gonna want it just like this. So now we're gonna get ready to pour in the glue into your solution. So guys, you can pour in how much you want, and I might just go like down here, all the way down here, because that's a lot. So, and I might just do the whole bottle. So now I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna pour it in. And guys, you're gonna need a little stick to mix this. And now I'm gonna pour it in. Stick it too long, so I'm just gonna take the top off so it can be more faster. That is faster. Oh my god. That's like too much glue, so I'm just gonna finish it. And now we're gonna stir it. And I'm just gonna take it out and wait a few seconds. Okay. And now I'm just gonna play with it a little, and then I'm gonna just like put in the glitter. So guys, I was like playing with it and it was like a little bit sticky. So, and you could play with it when you take it out. But if it's sticky, you could like just put it in the solution. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour in the glitter. My dad already opened it, so now I'm just gonna pour it in. I'm gonna try to do a lot because I love glitter. It's my favorite thing. So I'm just gonna like play with it and see how it does. Or I think that's enough. So guys, I'm gonna put in a little more glitter. So guys, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want just to like stretch it and then just fold it. Guys, this is like not stretchy at all. It's just like soft, and you could like play with it a little bit, but it's not that stretchy. I think because I put it a lot in the solution that it just turned into that. So I'm just gonna leave it like a little bit out like this, and I'm gonna see what happens to it. So guys, that's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell. Hit the bell. I'm sorry, I'm dancing. Guys, you know, it's like people are staying home because of the virus. And I like I stayed like home like 2 weeks and I didn't take a shower. Just kidding, guys. I took a shower today. Today's April Fool's. Yeah. Bye. Coronavirus.
¿Puedo comenzar?
Coronavirus.